do look like rain clouds, don't they?
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what, let's just blow them away, and we'll let the sun shine right through on us. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. That's good.
We picked a neat song for you today. It's called It Ain't Gonna Rain.
You know why?
Papa's not raining.
Because Percy says it ain't gonna rain no more.
Yeah.
Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? Sing it with me. It ain't gonna rain no more, no more. Ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? Well, a peanut sat on the railroad track. His heart was all a-flutter. Along came the 250. Toot-toot, peanut butter. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? Well, the cow was on the railway track. Train was coming fast. The train got off the railway track to let the cow go past. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? Well, the boy stood on the burning deck. His feet were full of blisters. He tore his pants on a rusty nail, and now he wears his sister's. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? Well, I hope you all believe me. I'm gonna say it plain. Although the thunder's crashing, it ain't a-gonna rain. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? This is Percy, your good weatherman, saying, whether it's sunny or whether it's raining, it's always great weather.